Christmas is just around the corner. Are you all sorted for your Christmas gifts? If not, I may have an idea for you. How about make a handmade baked goods to give to your friends and family? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a coconut macaroon. You can put your coconut macaroon into parcels like this. Add room temperature egg whites, caster sugar, and mix until it forms a stiff peak. You're not using any leavening agent, so your egg whites is your base, so this needs to be very fluffy. When it's stiff peak, add your vanilla paste for a little bit of flavor. Then add your desiccated coconut. Mix until everything is combined. Always remember when baking, always scrape the sides. Using an ice cream scoop, scoop them one by one to make it all even and round. Kneading it up a little bit just to make it nicer. Bake 160 degrees Celsius for 12 to 16 minutes or until just brown. Using your hand, gently take them out from the baking paper. You may want to do this when it cools down a little bit. Melt your dark chocolate in a microwave 30 seconds at a time. Texture should look like this. Dip the macaroons on the dark chocolate and scrape a little bit. Add the rest of the melted chocolate in a piping bag. Drizzle dark chocolate on top, however you like. And voila! There's your coconut macaroons. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you made the recipe, please feel free to comment below. Happy holidays!